I wrote these lyrics after a dear friend of ours passed away recently. We tracked it the day that we left for this tour. I know you don't know her, but if you don't mind raising your glasses, raise your drink, raise your fucking peace signs, love, hearts, everything. Please make some noise for Megan Faust. Now every single time we play this song, we're gonna be thinking about her, and I wouldn't have it any other way. This one's called Honeybee. Let's go. I don't want any of this fucking peace song business. I want everybody to win.